The aircraft approaches from your right. Please notice the upturned wingtips. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel efficiency. To put the aircraft's overall size into perspective, those winglets are nearly 3 meters tall. The aircraft is now setting up to perform a maximum angle climb, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance may be expected or hazardous terrain may exist. With a departure climb angle of over 30 degrees nose up, the aircraft can reach an impressive altitude within limited distance.
It's our famous aerial formation from your right.
Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have been a fantastic audience. On behalf of the organizers of the Singapore Air Show 2014, we thank you very much for being here today. This brings us to the end of the aerial display. This is a watch worth more than $6,000. And all you have to do is take a photograph of yourself featuring